Welcome to our cybersecurity forecast, Entra ID Security. We will discuss how to defend against emerging threats in 2026 by dissecting future attack vectors, reverse engineering cloud-native exploits, and architecting resilient defenses. Imagine a world where your Entra ID is breached by exploits we haven't even seen yet. By 2026, the attack landscape for cloud identity will be drastically different. This highlights the urgency of preparing now. We are facing the looming shadow. Current Entra ID defenses will likely be obsolete by 2026, necessitating a major shift in our security posture. The security measures protecting you today will be trivial bypasses for the AI-driven adversary of 2026. This includes automated reconnaissance, cloud-native sophistication, and exploitation of infrastructure blind spots. Our 2026 projection for anticipated attack vectors shows AI-driven phishing at 95% criticality and supply chain theft at an 85% rise, among other evolving threats. Next, we will focus on reverse engineering future exploits, taking a deep dive into hypothetical 2026 attack chains to understand tomorrow's threats. Supply chain and AI vulnerabilities are key. Attackers will use the poisoned dependency, compromising third-party apps, and AI-synthesized identity using deepfakes to trick help desks and reset MFA tokens. Sophisticated persistence means attackers will focus on living off the identity land. They will modify Entra ID Connect rules and create ghost administrators, maintaining undetectable access for months without deploying malware. Consider Operation Silent Storm, a live demonstration of a 2026 breach. An AI bot detects an abandoned repo, extracts a legacy key, and pivots to Entra ID, resulting in full tenant compromise in under 15 minutes. To combat these threats, we must adopt proactive defense strategies, shifting from reactive patching to proactive posture management. The next generation of Zero Trust involves continuous evaluation, identity segmentation, and automated remediation. Entra ID must self-heal by automatically rotating keys and revoking tokens when risk is detected. Identity governance must be reimagined. This shift moves access reviews from quarterly manual checks to real-time AI-triggered evaluations and least privilege to just-in-time access for critical roles. AI-powered threat hunting is essential. Behavioral analytics detect anomalies like impossible travel for API tokens, while predictive modeling forecasts which accounts are likely to be targeted. Finally, we must focus on architecting resilient identity infrastructure, designing for failure, and ensuring business continuity. Identity microsegmentation is critical. The flat directory must die. We must rigorously enforce an admin tiering model, ensuring Tier 0 administrators cannot laterally move into lower-tier resources. Achieving the unhackable account means moving toward passwordless nirvana. FIDO2 hardware keys and verifiable credentials will become mandatory, eliminating passwords as a primary attack target. Disaster recovery for identity requires a, quote, break glasses plan. This includes emergency access accounts, automated infrastructure as code backups for policies, and regular identity down tabletop drills. To secure 2026 today, you must audit your current exposure, implement phishing-resistant MFA, and automate your governance. The threats are evolving, and your defenses must evolve faster. Thank you for watching this video. Join the conversation on securing the future of identity using the contact details provided.